A day in my life. Make sure the dog doesn't go anywhere. Push. Push. Rough. Arrive. Pull. Push. Mommy. Push.
You say antonyms.
Antonyms.
Oh, what's the answer for push?
Pull.
What is antonyms?
Pull.
Antonyms.
Antonyms is not the same.
Oh, push.
Pull.
You
I
check
really
the pull.
want to
You check this answer.
dog.
You check this so that you cannot answer it again. Next.
Color it. Next. Over, younger.
Yeah.
Over.
You read it all, Anna.
Over.
If you don't know the answer,
Late.
no. If you don't know the answer, next. Next. Like that.
Okay. Younger.
You read all so that you can.
Older. Hurry up because I want to see the baby dog. Baby dog stands bite.
Next.
It's so adorable. So cute. Palest. Tallest. Smaller.
Smaller. Huh? You read it all so that you
Small.
can.
Oh.
Tallest.
Small.
I said read it all.
Shortest.
X that one.
Shortest. Small, small, small. Leave. Away. Leave. Arrive. Arrive. Leave. Arrive. Or leave. Arrive.
Just put X.
Full. Neat. What is neat?
Clean.
What was that?
Read so that you can find it.
Under, inside, asleep, slow, late, rough,
Rough.
ugly, messy,
If you answer it all, you read push, pull like that.
no, not this one, tomorrow na.
You're you're distracted again by the dog. Go. You answer.
The dog is fighting with the cats.
So tala answer.
They keep it happy, sad. Upset, happy. Ugly, always ugly. Under, inside, slow, always slow.
You read it all nga tala.
Poor, late, small, never, full, right, never, 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 always never. Full, smooth, smooth, smooth,
Oh, you put the answer.
full, right, was, below, rough, rough.
Go lang.
And this is still
Go
there.
lang.
Large, small, only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, next, left. I know right. Where's the right? Under, inside, asleep, low, slow, poor, late, ugly, below, full, right, lost. What? Right, left. Ah, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8! I wonder if the baby dog is there. We're going to take care of that. Quick, fast, quick. Late, quick, late. Quick, late.
No.
Full, full, lost.
If you don't know, next first.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Ugly. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 more last. Awake, asleep. Wait, guys. Inside, full, lost, under, inside, inside. Inside. Next. Early, early. Slow, poor, asleep, asleep.
Early,
Asleep,
early,
asleep.
early.
Ano, asleep is done.
Ah, okay. I thought that's your answer.
Below, early, early, early. Wait, slow, poor, below, lost, full.
You read it all.
Under, early, slow, poor, late,
Oh,
late,
if you're early, what's the antonyms?
early, late. Seven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Rich,
Oh, rich.
poor.
Hmm.
Next, I empty, full. Lost, above.
Above.
What is that?
Above.
High, down.
Up, above.
Lost,
You read all.
under,
Hmm. Because you don't write properly. Ay. Just X, I said, so that it's clean.
Below, 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 below. I don't know what this is. Found. Below, no more. Lost below, only 2 more. Lost below.
You read niya, Tala.
Lost. Next, quick. Below, but what? Below.
What's that?
Over below. Over. Over. Lost, quick, or just quick, quick.
Oh, where is it? Another, slow or lost? Ay, slow or below?
Quick, slow.
Because you put erase.
Lost, here.
Huh? That's your answer, oh. This is the last one left.
This one. Below, here.
You read it all.
How about this?
Lost. Tala, found. Lost. You have answer already. Just put X next time. Next, you read.
Okay. Push, pull. Over, below. Younger, older. Tallest, shortest. Live, arrive. Neat, messy. Happy, upset. Always, never. Smooth, rough. Large, smooth. Small, small. Left, right. Quick, slow. Found, lost. Beautiful, ugly. Awake, asleep. Outside, inside. Early, late. Rich, poor. Empty, full. Above, under. Bye, friends. See you tomorrow.